Ravi is proud. 5 lakh rupees in his savings account. Safe? Untouched? His friends clap. In their eyes, Ravi is already rich. But then comes Aryan. Not flashy, but owns 3 businesses. Ravi is excited to know how much Aryan must be keeping in the bank. What? Just 20k? How is that possible? Aryan explains money in the bank doesn't grow, it dies slowly. Every year, inflation silently eats your money's value. 1 lakh rupee in 2020 not equal to 1 lakh rupee in 2025. That's inflation in action. Suddenly, Ravi isn't so proud anymore. He wants to know, if saving is not smart, what is? Aryan shows his system to split money into 3 jars, not just one bank account. Emergency jar, only keep what you may need quickly, like hospital bills or sudden travel. The investment jar makes money work for you. This is where the real magic begins. The growth jar is for bold moves, like starting a business or buying an asset. What if Ravi used that 5 lakh rupees smartly instead of letting it sleep in a savings account? The same money, 3 very different results. Which one would you choose? Ravi's mindset has changed. No more sleeping money. Now it's time for growing money. 1 year later, small steps, smart growth, Ravi is no longer just a saver. He's an investor. The poor protect money. The rich multiply it. Money should never sleep. Put it to work like a loyal employee. 5 years later, Ravi runs 3 stalls and a small business. He still earns, but now money earns for him too. His friends still rely only on savings and salary. Nothing has changed for them. The difference? Ravi used his savings to build income. Others only stored it. The rich buy time and freedom, not just comfort. Give 10 rupees to 2 people. One hides it, one multiplies it. Guess who gets rich? Money is not for collecting, it's for creating. A tool, not a trophy. Assets are the secret weapons of the rich. Learn to build them. Ravi earns while sleeping. That's not luck, that's a strategy. Are you keeping your money safe or keeping it small? You don't need lakhs, you just need a new mindset. Start small, think smart, grow big. Like, share and subscribe for more money stories that change how you think.